Hi. Here at the Teacher Gallery Library, we really love science. Are you ready for a science challenge? Let's do it. Okay, for this first challenge, we're going to need 2 ice cubes, or 1, 2, and we're going to need some salt. Okay, so I have the ice cubes sitting on the trays. On one of them, I'm going to put some salt. The question is, which one do you think is going to melt more quickly? Do you think it's the one without the salt or the one with the salt? What's your guess? So this is our first experiment. Do you want to see what happens? Well, I'm not going to show you. This is science challenge. You need to go do it yourself. So I'm just going to put these over here where you can't peek, because this is science challenge after all. So with the next science challenge, this is where things start to get a bit weirder. For this one, we're going to need two glasses. We're going to need some water, just regular water out the tap. And yet again, we are going to need the salt. So I'm going to fill both of these cups to roughly the same amount of water. So it's a fair experiment. So in one of the cups, I'm going to add a bit of salt. You know, good enough. Give it a stir. Now, when you add salt to water, it lowers the temperature of the solution. So we're going to need to leave this to sit for a bit so that it can go to room temperature, just like the other cup of fresh water. Now, I can't be bothered waiting for that. You can't be bothered waiting for that. So here's what I prepared earlier. Now, the next the next thing we need for this experiment is ice cubes with food dye added. Okay, so I've got some beautiful blue food dye. I added that to my ice cubes. So we're just gonna go 1 in each. Which one is going to melt more quickly? Do you think that the one in the salt water is going to melt more quickly? Or do you think the one in the fresh water is going to melt more quickly? What's your guess? What do you reckon is going to happen? How does this compare to the first experiment we did where we put salt on the ice cube? Which one's going to melt more quickly there? Which one's going to melt more quickly here? Now, I'm guessing you would really like to know which one's going to melt more quickly. Well, I'm not going to show you. This is science challenge. You need to do an experiment for yourself. Find out for yourself. Now, so you're not going to cheat. These are going over here. So all of these experiments have been inspired by books from the Teacher Gallery Library. Oh, look at them here. So come and visit us and borrow some awesome books. So I think it's time for you to go do some science. Bye for now.